How to analyze reply rates in Instantly.ai. Step 1. From your dashboard, click on Campaigns and select campaign you want to review. Step 2. Inside the campaign, click on Analytics. This is where you'll find performance data like opens, clicks, and replies. Step 3. Look for the reply rate percentage. This shows how many of the people you contacted actually responded to your emails. Step 4. You can also break it down by individual emails in your sequence. Maybe your first follow-up gets more replies than your initial outreach. This helps you understand what's working. Step 5. If your reply rate is low, try improving personalization, shortening your emails, or adjust your timing. Small tweaks can make a big difference. So that's it.